Today on Gym Build, we're going to be modifying our concrete weights. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a grinder with a grinding wheel. This you can get from Amazon for like 12 bucks. You're going to need some gloves, a mask, a scale, and of course your concrete weights. So I've already went ahead and pre-measured the weights themselves, and I've marked them with how much they currently weigh. That way it's a little bit easier to go about grinding it and weighing it. Now that we have the weights ground down, we're going to spray it with a protective rubberized coating called Raptor Liner. Now, Raptor Liner is actually for a truck bed coating, but it's a textured finish, it's durable, impact, and abrasive resistant, and it's ideal for truck beds, etc., etc., etc. The way I figure it, if it can protect the truck bed and the outside of a truck from scratches, dings, nicks, and dents, I'm pretty sure it can protect some weights from cracking. That's what we're going to test and find out. This shit said to shake for 2 minutes, so shaking for 2 minutes is what I'm gonna do. All right, let's see. As always, wear safety goggles, rubber gloves. Check. All right, let's give it a go. All right, so we're gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll spray it again. All right, well, that concludes the video for today's full build. I hope you guys enjoyed. The weights actually took 4 cans of the Raptor truck bed coating. So when you go to AutoZone, make sure you grab 4 or more, depending on how many coats you want to give it. Yeah, that's it. All we got to do now is test them out and see how they hold up. And after that, I'm sure you guys will get another video. So till then, see ya.